Hi, there's one more thing that I might need to show you really quickly because you're going to need to add an article to the Suboxone page, the eSuboxone page under services. In there you were going to add an article that says what is eSuboxone, and just want to show you really quickly. It's pretty easy, but I just wanted to show you. So when you go into articles, so you can see how this is set up. That page is set up as a category page. So anything that's in the Suboxone category will show up on this page. And if I go and in the article manager and click on categories, it organizes it by category. And I'm going to look for the category that says Suboxone. There they are. So here we have, so what is Suboxone, detox, da, 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 da. These are articles that are in the Suboxone category. So if you want to add another one and say one that's called what is eSuboxone, what I would do is click on it, on the what is Suboxone, and then here you can just save it as a copy and rename it. So put in a new name first, actually, and we're going to call it eSuboxone. The alias always has to be unique to every page. And then you can type whatever it is here that you want. And then make sure, or before you do that, you can just hit save a copy. And it will save a copy of that article. So now you have two. And it's already in the Suboxone category. So if I hit close now, and I go now into the Suboxone, there is a second article, what is eSuboxone, and it comes first. We may want to move that down and have it go second. So in ordering, I'm going to click on order, and I want to move that down one. So now the little arrows come up after I clicked on order, and I'm going to move that down. So I'm going to click on this down arrow. And now it's underneath. So it should now, if I go back to the Suboxone page and hit refresh, see now we have two articles. Both of them have the same image, which we may not want. We have what is Suboxone and what is eSuboxone. So I'm going to turn that back off right now. But what you then do, see, it also notice that it automatically comes up in this little category list over here. Isn't that awesome? And it's articles under one category, actually. So I'm going to go back in here, and I'll just show you to get rid of the image. I'll show you what you have to do. The images and links are over here, and this is the Suboxone teaser that's showing up. And if you wanted to change that image, you could click on that, and then it shows you the media manager that has most of the images in there. If you wanted to add a new one and you have one on your computer, for example, you hit browse and select the image on your computer and then hit start upload, and then you would select the image, for example here, and then notice it automatically shows you the whole path, and then you hit insert. I'm going to do the same thing over here for the full article. And I'm going to delete this when I'm done, but this is just to show you. Okay, so now it's changed the name of the image there, and you could select, say, eSuboxone is a revolutionary approach, blah, blah, blah. Hit save, close. And then when that's done, I'm going to go back to the eSuboxone page, hit refresh. And it's cutting it short because there's no text here to fill it up. But that was just to show you how it's done. Once you have enough text, this will get knocked over to the next line, and it won't run into itself like that. You can also reduce the size of it if you wanted to, and that's pretty easy to do. Go back to what is eSuboxone. Oh wait, can I limit it the size here? Oh wait, it's a little different. So in order to change the size of it, I would have to change the size of the image first. And so you would do that in an image editor like Photoshop or whatever kind of image editor you may have, where you can reduce the size of an image and rename it, and then go back in here in the article and select and go through the same process of selecting an image off your computer and uploading it and selecting it and hit insert. Once you get used to doing that, it'd be like breathing. It'll be easy. Okay, well, I'm going to close this for now, and I'm going to actually delete this article for now and let you write that. I'm going to hit, well, I could either just unpublish it and let you edit it. I'm just going to delete it. It's probably good for you to go through that process so you see how to do it. So now I'm going to go back. I could have unpublished it though, just to hide it, and it wouldn't show up either that way. So I hope that helps. Carry on. Thank you.